See a wrap right there? I would like to ride that.
You turn right here again?
Yeah. A lot of people out here today.
Mid-90s inland, low 70s around the bay, low 60s at the coast.
This report is sponsored by Whole Foods Market. Hey, Prime members, save on quick and easy family meals like hot cheese pizza, animal welfare certified rotisserie chicken.
All right, that's it. Hey guys, today we're at Half Moon Bay. There. All right, we're gonna try to pump it up to 80 pounds to 90 pound pressure.
Yeah, here, nice that work.
It's going. How many pounds?
70.
60? Good?
80.
That's good. Run. It's good.
90.
All right, Jack, you gonna launch it? I'll hold it. Go like that kind of angle, like that. Hold on, I gotta hold this. Hold on. Okay, right there, good. All right, guys, we're gonna test our launcher. Hold on. Go. Hold on, I gotta hold this. All right, guys. We launched it about 50 yards, but I don't think it's far enough. We only had 80 pound pressure, so we're gonna try to do it later with more pressure. Hey, we're here, haven't caught anything yet. The launcher works good. All right, guys, that's it for today. The bait launcher works. We didn't catch anything. Now we have to go to Costco buy fish to eat. There you have it. Half Moon Bay. Didn't catch anything. We're out of here. If you guys like this bait launcher, subscribe. Thank you. Stay safe, not harm's way. Peace, guys. Went fishing, but I didn't catch anything. But I got these at, where is it at? Right here. Costco. We're gonna fry them. But first we're gonna remove the head. They're already clean, got it. So, okay, I scaled my fish. I took the ribs out, leaving the tail. Got a little salt. Little pepper. Okay, I got my second fish. Get some bait up. Pepper. Pinch of salt. Got my chopstick. Little scale won't hurt. Tastes like a potato chip. Okay, it's been probably like 5 minutes already. All right, the fish is done. I'm gonna take it out. After the oil got hot on high, I put it on medium and cooked it for maybe 6 minutes on each side. So I'm gonna leave it out to rest. Okay, simple but effective. Steamed rice, fried fish, red snapper, Costco. I didn't catch it today. And I'm gonna dress it with some lemon sauce I made earlier.